TwinDos, Miele two-phase dispensing, best liquid dispensing system. These machines feature two integrated cartridges containing Miele's two-phase system. This consists of Ultraphase 1, a basic detergent, and Ultraphase 2, a detergency enhancer or booster. Depending on the nature of the load, the Miele TwinDos then precisely dispenses the ideal amount of liquid detergent, both at the correct point in time and in the correct ratio. Phase 1 is dispensed first. This product removes grease and protein soils. Phase 2 follows later on in the wash process to remove stubborn stains, caused, for example, by red wine. With the two-phase system, Miele is offering the best liquid detergent currently on the market, and a detergent that works equally well for coloreds and for whites. To activate the system, simply select the wash cycle and dose and state the color of the fabrics. TwinDos adjusts the blend of the two phases to the color of the garments. When washing whites, Ultraphase 1 and Ultraphase 2 are dispensed in equal amounts. For coloreds, the ratio is 2/3 Ultraphase 1 to 1/3 Ultraphase 2. And should you wish to use a conventional detergent or fabric conditioner instead of the Miele two-phase system, that's no problem either. TwinDos is an open system. Simply fill the two tanks as appropriate. Here too, the machine dispenses the correct detergent and quantity automatically. For maximum flexibility, detergent, fabric conditioner and additives can also be dispensed via the detergent dispenser if required. TwinDos, Miele two-phase dispensing, best liquid dispensing system.